Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to extract pages from PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat Reader and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're going to find the recommended tools for you, like add comments, request e-signatures, and so on. You can see all of the tools right here. From here, you can work with the PDF. If you want to edit a PDF, right here, you're going to find always open PDFs in Acrobat Reader. If you want to set Acrobat Reader as default, and right here, you're going to find the recent PDFs. Right here, the recent or start files, also Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and other file storage. And you can also add a file storage. For example, I'm going to click on the welcome PDF. And then from here, you can either share, add comment, fill and sign, edit PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, or remove from recent. I'm going to click on edit a PDF. And then you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, in order to edit a PDF, you should have the premium subscription. So basically, guys, once you're here, go to the left side of your screen. Go to the top, you're going to find all tools, edit, convert, and assign. We're going to click on edit. And then right here, you're going to find under modify page, rotate page right. You're going to find also crop page, delete page, and also extract page. So just go ahead and click on extract page. And then you can extract the page. But you should, as I told you guys, you should have the premium subscription. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.